Delaveaus, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's a brand new day. It's another beautiful day to give thanks. Another beautiful day, another opportunity to get things right. Whatever it is that you guys need to fix, you get another day to do that. If you're watching this, means that it's another chance, it's another opportunity. How are you guys doing though? It's early in the morning and I dropped my baby off to school. My big baby's off to work.
Hi guys, it's Monday today. It's a new week. I hope you all had a great weekend. And yeah, it feels good outside. It don't feel like December, so I wish you all doing well and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great week. Enjoy today's vlog.
The light with my big hair, and I am home about to go make some breakfast because I'm hungry. Can you tell? I'm going to whip up some breakfast real quick to get on with my day. I am all alone because everybody's gone to school and to work. I have work later, which means you guys will see me for the latter part of this vlog until the babies get home, until the boys get home. Yeah, so just enjoy me having alone time, doing what I do until my babies get home. On that note, I hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys enjoy this vlog, whatever it is that we are about to show you. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure you subscribe, girl, because you don't want to miss anything. And I promise you that 2019 is going to be an awesome year. You don't want to miss any beat, okay? You don't want to be missing out on any vlogs and all the growth and all the happenings that will be happening with us. Anyway, you guys, be sure that you guys subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. We love you guys. Thank you guys for all the continued support and all the love and all the minutes that you guys spend to watch our vlog each day. We appreciate you. It doesn't really matter how big or small or how long you guys watch the vlogs or how many times you guys skip throughout the vlog. We still appreciate every single one of you, and each time that you watch and you take the time to comment to let us know that, hey girl, I'm here and I watched. I see you, I see you. Anyway, what's on the breakfast menu this morning? I think I'm going with pancakes, so let's go make some pancakes and eggs. My mind is on planting, but my body's on pancake. So let's go with pancake. If I do pancake and then my body say, no girl, no pancake, then I'll just retreat to planting. But anyway, let's go whip some breakfast up. Comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for breakfast this morning. Breakfast is ready. Need some pancake syrup and I'm good to go. Done. I just got up from a nap. I have so much leftovers from cooking yesterday. I'm on cruise control today. I'm just warming and eating, and that's good. So this is lunch. A Coca-Cola, well, half of a Coca-Cola, a can sawfish, banana dumpling, a girl's dream, okay, heaven. So I am having some lunch right now because hungry is up to here. You guys, look who is home. What you showing, Fizz? What's that?
It's my goulash.
Okay, you did that at school. You color it.
Yeah.
Good job. Let me see. Cool. My baby is home from school. Can you take off your bag and your jacket?
I must put something in my bag.
But you say you're gonna have pineapple.
Mama.
You want the pineapple? You want to eat the pineapple?
Mama, I do the way.
You do what?
The way.
Okay, nice. You gonna do it at school?
Yeah.
Okay, come have the pineapple. Come, let me show you. You love pineapple, y'all. Huh? What's that? Lots of pineapple. Alright, take off your jacket first. Take off your jacket first, Pumpkin. He loves some pineapple, yes. I'm gonna put it right here.
Tomorrow, I don't go in the gallery.
Tomorrow? No, you're not going gallery tomorrow. Mama coming to pick you up tomorrow from school. Come. Why your uniform open?
Because I'm opening it all night.
You open it at school?
Yeah.
Okay. Go have the pineapple. What did you have for lunch at school today?
The poisson.
Okay, you have fish and what else? Come tell me what you had for lunch.
Cucumber.
You eat cucumber? Really? And what else? You guys don't match my comfy mess. And what else? Tell me.
Purée.
Puree quoi?
Purée.
Legume? Oh no. It's okay. Get another one. Because mama bothering you while you're eating. No talking while eating. Alright. Enjoy your pineapple, okay? Okay? Well, mama gonna tidy up this place a bit. Look at this view as I stepped outside. How pretty is that? That is so darn pretty. Oh my god. That's the most beautiful sunset I've ever seen. Okay, the notification shut up.
Let's make it sound I've got to
Carlina Ebanks.
Karina Evans.
And say and Sash Kelly.
Sash Kelly.
Thanks for watching, guys.
What's now?
Tell them night night.
Night night.
See you guys
Tomorrow.
The sun has set not long ago. Now everybody goes below to take a bath in one big tub with soap all over. Scrub, scrub, scrub. They hang their towels on the wall and find pajamas, big and yeah, with some on top and some beneath. They brush and brush and brush their teeth and down once more, but not so fast. They're on their way to bed at last.
Mama.
Yes.
Big, small.
Very good. The day is done. They say good night, and somebody turn off the
Light.
The moon is high, the sea is deep. They rock and rock and rock to sleep. Good night. Say prayers.
Mama,
Prayers.
another one.
No, another one tomorrow. Prayers.
The rest we make me
ouvert que papa aussi.
Mama.
Yes. Hi, Faye.
Hi guys.
You guys. Oh shoot, my battery's about to die. Let's see how far I can reach without changing it. We're just coming down to end the vlog by giving you guys a notification. The expressions of today, which we haven't done in a while. So today's expression, Jamaican expression, you see in the reflection of the computer, is going to be mama man.
Mama man.
Mama man.
Mama man.
Right.
Is the man of mama.
I didn't say mama man. I said ma. M-A-A. That's one word. Ma. M-A. Slash. Mama man is M-A-A dash M-A dash M-A-N. So it's man. Mama man.
I
didn't say mama man. Mama man.
Okay.
Mama man. A mama man is any man that don't like to take care of their responsibility and is very stingy in a relationship. Do you understand? That don't like to take care of their responsibility in a relationship. Very stingy. They are mean.
Okay.
They're mean. They don't like to take care of responsibility. They don't like to take care of their kids. They don't like to, when they give in money, they give in just a little bit to help out. You see what I mean? They're stingy. They're mean. Mama man. And they fuss about everything. They argue like females. Mama man.
Okay.
So don't ever be a mom. If you understand what it means?
Yeah.
Right, mama man. I just came across that one. I say I haven't give this one. What's the French expression for today?
The French expression, it comes to me. I was seeing somebody with the pants. How you call
Zipper.
Zipper open, and the French expression.
Why are you looking at somebody pants zipper, honey?
Oh, and the French expression came to my mind, and in France, not to be obvious, we used to say le magasin est ouvert. We have different expressions.
The store is open.
Yeah, but this one is, for example, you see somebody and you're just trying to, le magasin est ouvert. It's like the store is open, just to warm the person without, if people are necessary, trying to.
Hilarious.
Say it.
Le magasin est ouvert.
Right. 24/7.
Your zipper is open. Close it. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam. Today's vlog wasn't much because we really didn't do much. I didn't do much today. So, this is what you get. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.